I found a graveyard over here. We have to check it out. And there's some kind of platform. It's concrete. What was this, Lon? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's got some pole holes.
Oh, you know what? Right.
Got some holes there.
Right for like an outhouse.
Huh. Yeah, look at, there's a couple more. And there's a graveyard. Oh, man. There's a lot more to this place that meets the eye. I love these pine trees.
Yeah.
Can we get in here? Yeah, come on, Lon. Ooh. Oh, now. Lon, you stay. Ooh. Can you make that? See that rock? There's a step. Got it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Oh, wow. Oh, graveyard. 1934. Ooh, don't step on them. Wow. Charles Haskin. What? "2019. Deeply missed, forever loved. Avery Robinson." Guess there's a lot of love there, huh? Wow. Mr. William Robinson and M. Perkins. 1996. These are not that old.
No. That was not that old
1927. Ray Ernestine Wilcock. Hello, Mr. Wilcock.
Who? Wilcox?
Yeah, Wilcock.
Yeah, there used to be a construction company.
Yeah. You?
One was called Jerry Wilcox.
Well, they got
He was
pictures.
bad. That guy.
2000s, 1990. It was their son or something. He got passed away. Wow. That's an old one.
Different.
Pierce, 1964.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that, it's beautiful.
Well, like I say, people.
1931. Dad, you're always in our hearts. That's a Wilcock too.
Another Wilcox?
Yeah.
A lot of Wilcox. I know.
Dolly and Buster Jr.
Quite a few Wilcox.
Yeah. There's a Wilcock. Wow.
This is different.
Yeah. Look at all this moss. Look at that.
I don't understand that.
It's amazing, huh?
What's that?
This is Lenny Ray McCraw.
Who?
Lenny Mae McCraw. C-R-A-Y. There's another Wilcock here.
A lot of Wilcox.
L82, 73, 93, 1993, Mildred, and then Raymond. Wow.
Wilcox was a big family. They probably owned a lot of farmland.
Yeah.
But I know there was a construction company called Wilcox.
Wow, it's very soft.
Yeah, very spongy.
Isn't that amazing? This marsh. What's this?
Oh, you know, it's like, I can't think of the name of it.
Moss.
No,
Is it moss? It's type of a moss?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Mary Wilcock.
Again?
Yeah.
The whole family.
Yeah.
Wow.
1863. Wow. Hello, Wilcox. Wow. More of them. They had to have a big family, huh? Wow. Look at that. What, Ron? What?
The war.
Children, George R. Ferry Arthur. Wow. These white ones?
Yeah.
World War II.
I think
And
there's
these are Wilcox.
another one.
Yeah,
How big was the family?
a big family. George Green.
Wow.
Wow. What was on this other two? Look at all these rocks people leave. It's a cool graveyard. Thomas Allen Green. Here's another Green. U.S. Army, Vietnam, 1946, 2019.
Yeah.
I like it how they leave all these rocks around and stuff. They
I
really,
forget what they.
there's a lot of love in this graveyard.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be here, to just experience it.
Oh, it's these stones are old.
Brown, 51 years old, 1864. 1820 to 1846. Another Brown. Julia. Hi, Julia. Who is he? I can't read it.
I can't.
Can't read it.
Like
Elizabeth.
brown.
Oh, you guys got some really nice soft ground here. Tell you that.
They don't like to walk in on that grave.
I know. I almost feel creepy. It feels really creepy. I know. 1836.
Perfect.
The age of 5 years old.
Huh?
5 years old.
Uh,
Yeah. 1822. 76 years old. Wow. Wow, look at that.
these stones there too.
Probably. Yeah.
That's got to be the whole Wilcox family.
Yeah.
To have it
And
laid out
Browns. Browns and Wilcox. Well, I feel creepy in here.
like that. I think that's creepy.
You can't read that one. That one's like really gone too. Wow. One falling over. Looks like a number something on it.
That one,
1858.
was that one?
17 years old.
Wow.
Another Brown.
Died young.
Lambert.
Oh.
Huh. Hi, Lambert. Wow. But you can't hardly read this. 1865.
Marvin, what he used to do, he used to get like a tissue paper.
Uh-huh.
You just
Oh, like make a stencil of it?
yeah. And then it gives you the dates. And all them.
Avery. 1980. Sade. Richard Sade. Pierce. They Pierce. Waterhouse. Look at that.
Good sized family.
There's a lot of love in here.
There's a lot of good sized plots.
Yeah.
It's a small one, but I mean, it's nice, different plots.
1909. Wow. SAM. (1928) 1849. Wow. I'm gonna walk in here, I feel. Wow. 51 years old. 1869. Wow. 1909. Iron D. Main. Look at this. I don't think they have to cut the grass in here. It doesn't grow. It's all moss.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's different.
You ever see a graveyard that's so beautiful?
It's set up. The one where Shirley's
Yeah.
buried up
This
in
is
Coventry, is where I have my plot.
This is a Maine and an
Very small.
Avery.
Avery again?
Yeah.
No, they got a good sized plot.
Yeah, look at they fixed the dump.
Even here.
Yeah. It's over here. Wow. Wonder what's in this part, Lon. It's all unmarked. They got one rock. One rock.
Where?
Right there's one rock.
Oh.
It's like all framed out.
Yeah.
But
This
wow.
one's old right here.
Yeah.
It is stone.
Yeah, they're old. I'll try to come around. Lathrop,
Lathrop.
1833, 24 years old.
I heard of the Lathrop.
The Reynolds, father, Jonathan, 1803 to 1882.
He lived long.
Yeah.
Oops,
1882. Then they have horse and buggy and stuff back then.
Oh, yeah.
24 years old. Oh, man. 37 years old. Died. 12 years old.
This is gonna fall.
21 years old. These guys didn't live long.
No.
Maybe it was that Black Plague back in the day at that
It could
time.
have been.
A lot of people died like because of the Spanish flu or the plague what they had back in the day.
Yep.
Yeah, a lot of virus thing going around. There's another brown. Look at how the moss is taking over on it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Can't read it. 1901.
This is like a whole family here.
Yeah. I feel kind of creepy in here. 23 years old. 1854. But they didn't live long, huh?
No. It's a whole family right here.
Yeah, the Blakes.
Those stones are not cheap either.
Jean Blake. They got another one over here.
The Blake?
I don't want to walk on top of them.
No.
Oh, God.
No. It's not like...
Yeah. Got another Blake. Timothy, 2016. Beloved son, brother, uncle, father, forever loved, forever missed in our hearts. Guess he had a tractor. He ran a tractor or something. There's like a tractor sketched in it. Okay. I think we've had enough of the graveyard here. The internet video interlude on the edge of 8, 1913, 1919. There's more browns.
You can walk up this way.
Oh yeah, a nice little walkout. Yeah, alright.
Where you going?
It says the sign right there. Beckman Brown Main Cemetery. Wow. 1814 to 1881. Well, look at this. Dolores, Timothy. I'm going to end it here on the internet interlude in the middle of the old brown cemetery. Thank you for watching.